Dave here, how are you? I'm going to show you a little tip about paintbrushes. Now, I could buy expensive brushes like those guys up there, or I could be a bit smart and buy these brushes down here. Now, this pack of 2 brushes, kind of a synthetic fiber nylon or whatever, and I'm going to show you how to make these as every bit as good as those top shelf ones. Enjoy. How you prepare a brush to be a good brush. Now, this is a rubbish brush. This is a brass wire brush. And all we're going to do is we're going to tease the end of it, because ideally, or ordinarily I should say, the bristles in this are nylon or a synthetic, and they don't carry the paint or the finish as well as a brush that's got a natural hair in it. So all you do is you just hold the brush down and you give it to it with a brush. Don't use a steel brush, because the steel will get in there, and if you're using a water-based product, you'll get rust marks pop up everywhere on what you're doing. This is also how I clean my brushes. I flip it over the other side, keep going. And you do that for about 3 or 4 minutes, and you'll feel all the fibers end up with split ends. You know how so the women go on about, oh, I've got all the split ends, I'll have to get a trim to tidy it up. Well, we like split ends on paintbrushes, and you will be amazed. You'll be this amazed. Look at it, you can see it already against that light, how they've been a little bit distressed, and it works brilliantly. When you've finished washing the brush using the brass brush again, don't sit it like this, because what happens is the water will end up, or whatever you've cleaned the brush with, will go down into this area here, and as soon as you start using it the next time, that water will run out and it will make a mess. So my suggestion is put it this way, and better still, get yourself a surgical brush, a scrubbing brush, and pop it in there like that, and that will drain and hold it up and stop the bristles getting curled over. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, these little tips, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and you will get a message anytime I do a little tip like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.